Welcome back to the channel. Guess what? It is January the 12th, afternoon. It's after 12. So, the giveaway has ended and it is time to draw for my winner. And guess what this is? This is the box. Everything's packed up. It's ready to go, baby. It is ready to be shipped out to my winner. So, whoo, baby. Now, those Luxie brushes are in that box, along with that Jeffree Star palette, the Sephora palette. All that good stuff is in that box for one lucky winner. So, I have done the random comment picker. I have went to the person's YouTube page. I made sure that they are subscribed to me and that they play by the rules and everything. So, and I'm going to insert the clip so that you can see that. So anyway, I want to thank everyone who put in for this giveaway and who applied for this giveaway and who has subscribed to my channel. Guys, you do not know how much you mean to me for helping me get to the 1K mark and, you know, watching my videos. Yeah. And I have my skincare video going on that is going to be drawn for on February the 1st. So get in for that. Jess and I have a giveaway going on right now. The minute that that one ends, we're going to be opening up another giveaway that we're doing together with 2 chances to win. We love the response that we got on that, so we want to keep doing those. Then be sure that you're watching my videos to the end because I have a giveaway embedded in another video that's going to be coming out this week. There'll be a giveaway embedded in a video. So be sure you are looking for that, but it's at the end of the video. So I will be dropping a palette tune trivia soon. So yeah, my giveaways are not going to be ending. As a matter of fact, each time, so I have got Luxie brush sets to be giving away each time I get to that 1K mark. Each time I get to another 1K, there'll be another Luxie, complete Luxie brush set to be given away again. So if you didn't win it this time, don't give up. There'll be others that will be up for grabs. So anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. I've got lots of Luxie complete brush sets sitting right over there. So yeah, for each monumental milestone that I hit, I will be giving away complete brush sets with each of those and lots of goodies with each of those, just like this one. And hopefully it won't take me that long to get there like it did. You know, your first one takes a while, but hopefully it won't take me that long to get there again. So my winner, I'm going to insert the footage as I'm telling that, but my winner, she has a YouTube channel of her own and I did not know this, and so I have subscribed back to her, but my winner's name is, this is Miss Jenny June. The winner of the 1K giveaway is Miss Jenny June, and her entry said, "Happy to have found your channel from Karen Ann MUA and Angela, Beauty by Angela's channels. it's hard to find other awesome YouTubers that are in the mature arena. Can't wait to continue binging your channel, which I've started today. LOL. Thank you for an awesome giveaway. The Luxie brushes are gorgeous. Please enter me in your giveaway. Can't wait to get to know you more. So, that is the winner of the 1K giveaway. Okay, so I am going to show you, I went through and put in my video URL, filtered by the word enter me, and started my random comment selector, and this was the person that it chose was Jenny June. And so from there I went over and I went to my channel and I found from my video I went down and I found her comment. Let's see if I can find it again. I don't feel like it was this far down. Let's see. There it is. Jenny June, right here. So then what I do is I will click on her and I go to her page. Then I go over here to channels. And then I go down until I find me among... There's Jess. There's Nona. There's Karen. There's Rhonda said. There's me. Right there. And so that means that she has followed the rules. And so she is my winner. And so I have a winner chicken dinner, and I subscribed back to her. So there we go. And so, yes, so she does have the notifications turned on her channel. I was able to go to her channel and see that under her channel notifications that I was, God love her, she subscribed to all my besties. There was just Gus there, Karen MUA was there, Angela was there, so I was there, so she met all the requirements. Thank you so much, Jenny June, for subscribing to my channel, for leaving the comment. You followed all the rules. You were picked by the random comment picker, and you are my winner. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I will be sending this out. You have 48 hours to contact me at GetThisGlowing@gmail.com to claim your prize and let me know where you would like your box sent. So again, my email address is GetThisGlowing@gmail.com. Congratulations, Jenny June. And I subscribe back to your channel. So yeah, hit me up over there and let me know where you would like that to be sent. So I will definitely get that in the mail to you. However, it won't be sent priority. I usually send everything priority. I will just be sending it regular because the box is really heavy. It is really, really heavy. So I will send it in the regular post and send that out to you. And congratulations once again, and thank you. Most importantly, thank you to everyone who put in for the giveaway and who has subscribed to my channel. And be looking for another palette tune trivia and another giveaway with my giveaway partner Jess Gus to start just as soon as we wrap this other one up on Wednesday. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for me in this past year by subscribing to my channel. And you guys know I love doing giveaways, so look for those to keep on keeping on. So I hope that today finds you happy, healthy, and well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to be, just click the big red subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload new content, all you got to do is click the post notification bell. And until next time, mwah, smooches everybody. Bye-bye for now.